Section 2 of this chapter is talking about enterprise data mashups. What is this mashup? Let's understand enterprise data mashups. It combines business data and applications from multiple sources. What does it mean? Actually, in any organization, we'll be having one internal data, two external data. In the case of internal data, we may have multiple applications or the softwares from where the data is being generated within the organization, if we are not in a position to use integrated tools or ERP. Similarly, in the case of external data, we'll be having multiple sources of external data and the structure of data will be different. So, in the case of internal data, internal information, if an ERP is not being used, then it is not in same format, and similarly in the case of external data, we will be having different formats. So, what to do? So, we need to combine business data and applications and the softwares from multiple sources, internal or external. Typically, a mix of internal data and application with externally sourced data for what? To create integrated experience so that I may understand the scenario in toto. How to do it? It's a big job. It's a very complex job. So, for this, friends, we have enterprise mashups. What does it mean? It doesn't require a huge investment and can be developed in hours rather than days or weeks. So, we have a tool with the help of which we will be able to develop enterprise mashups. What will happen? We'll select the data from various sources and put that data into one, say, application. This application of the software is known as enterprise mashup. So, news feeds, external data, internal data of business systems, data, all they are contributing to enterprise mashups. And with the help of this, we are in a position to create various reports. So, this is architecture of enterprise mashup application. This is, friends, architecture of enterprise mashup applications. This combination of data from various business systems and external sources, often in real time. It's not postmortem kind of thing. It's not happening when the event has already completed or the event has already over. But it's a real time without necessarily relying on a middle step. What is that middle step? This middle step is, friends, ETL. We have seen that in case of data warehouses, we have to do three things: extract, transform and load. Only then we will be able to create a data mart from data warehouses, and then we will be able to do some sort of analysis. But in the case of enterprise mashups, it will not happen. We have various types of enterprise mashups like customer. So, it is a customer data mashup. It provides a quick view of customer data from a salesperson's in preparation for a customer site visit. I am trying to sell something. I am a salesperson. I am willing to visit, I am planning to visit to a particular person. I want to know about that person. Customer data mashup will prepare me for customer site visit. Similarly, we have logistics. Displays inventory for a group of department stores based on a specific criteria. Where the material is, what kind of material is available. So, this is logistics. How much time it's going to take to get transported from warehouse to my store. Then we have human resource data mashups. It provides a quick glance at employee data such as profiles, salary, ratings, benefit status and activities, so that we may take quality decisions for employees development, human resource development. What are the benefits of enterprise data mashups? So we have this table 11.2. With the help of this, we will be in a position to understand benefits of enterprise data mashups. 1. Dramatically reduces time and effort needed to combine different disparate data sources. Data is coming from various sources. This we have understood. Now, with the help of data mashups, we will be able to combine this easily. The second is, users can define their own data mashups. I will be in a position to define my table, which column is being prepared with the help of which database, from which data is now on my fingertips. By combining fields from different data sources that were not previously modeled. Modeled means that they were not considered together to create a report. Then users can import external data sources like spreadsheets and competitors data to create a new dashboard. What is this dashboard? We'll be talking about this a little later. Enables the building of complex queries by non-experts with a drag and drop query building tool. It's a simple software. You have components. With the help of those components, you are in a position to create a scenario. You can select something and drop. Select another thing and drop. And in this manner, your dashboard will be ready for your usage. So, easy for the user. Enables Agile BI, business intelligence, because new data sources can be added to a BI system. Whenever you find that, oh, I need to add another piece of information or some other data, then you will be able to do so very easily, quickly via direct link to operational data sources, bypassing the need to load them to the data warehouse. ETL is not required now. It provides a mechanism to easily customize and share knowledge throughout the company. So these are the benefits of data mashups. So friends, we have few questions at the end of this section too.